Let me tell you a story about my exercising journey. I first started exercising when I was about 13 or 14, and I went to the gym. And I went with my brother, and it was nice, we had a lot of fun. And then COVID hit. I stopped going to the gym for like 1 or 2 years, and I still did exercise when COVID hit. I had like this punching bag, I used to punch that, but I stopped going to the gym. And after that, when I was about 16, I started going to the gym again for like a year. And I had a lot of fun. I went with my classmates, I met some new people. But then, for whatever reason, after that 1 year, I decided to stop going to the gym and start training at home. So, what I would do is I would wake up at 5 a.m. every single day. And first thing in the morning, I would either go for a run, do some exercises in my room, or I had the same punching bag that I used to beat up to get a good workout. And I used to do this every single day, waking up at 5 a.m., doing that hard workout. And there were times when it was dark outside and I went for a run. And looking back at that time, at that period, that was a good period of my life. Like, I really felt good at that time, waking up at 5 a.m., doing that hard workout every day. But then, university started, and I started lacking off in exercising. Because now I didn't really have that much time in the morning to exercise because I had to go to uni. So I just started doing like 15 minutes of exercising in the morning, and that was it. And this went on for like a month or two. And then one day at university, I had a PE class and we played football. It was great, but it was brutal. Like, we played for at least 1 or even more than 1 hour straight with no rests. And I really pushed myself to the limit there. Like, I was sweating, I was panting, I was super tired. Like, I had to stop. Like, you know that when you almost throw up, like, you don't need to throw up, but you just have to stop because like you're super tired. Like, I really pushed myself to my limit at that football match. Like, it was great. And I think that we actually lost, but after that, after the match, after we congratulated everyone, said goodbyes, as I'm walking to my car, it feels like I took some kind of drug. Like, I feel so calm and relaxed and happy and content. I feel like so good. I didn't do any hard workout for so long that I just forgot how good it is and how important it is to how I feel, to my health, the importance of exercise. And at that moment, I promised to myself that I will exercise no matter what. I will do some hard workout. And then I started thinking, how could I do that? I didn't really want to go to the gym. It wasn't really my thing, building muscle. Don't get me wrong, it's great. I really liked it and I still like it a lot. But I wanted to do something that's fun to me. Like, I actually really want to go there. And that's when I found climbing. There's this great climbing gym that opened recently near me, and I tried it and I really liked it. And now I go at least twice a week climbing, and it's actually pretty tiring. And I also do that 15-minute exercise in the morning. So that's where I'm at right now with exercising. Now, the reason that I'm making this video is so that you can learn from my mistake. Don't forget the importance of exercising. Because once you get out of the habit of doing some hard exercise, once you stop doing that for a while, you can very easily forget just how important it is. Just how good it makes you feel. Just how I forgot it in the story that I just told you. And all the science and studies are also just showing us just how important exercise is. Just how essential it is for our physical health, for our mental health, for our happiness. It's a crucial part. And even besides all of that, you know in yourself that you would feel a lot better if you moved your body more, if you had these hard exercises. Like, you know within you that would make your life better. That would make you feel better in your body, and just feel overall better. It would even make you more social, connect with people, exercising with people. You know that it would be great for your life, but you just gotta get out of your comfort zone. Get off the couch and go running. Go to the gym. Because most of the time, you know what you should do. Like, you don't need to watch these videos. You know what you should probably do most of the time. But the only problem is that you don't do that. That's it. If you follow your own advice, do you know how far you would get? If only you just follow your own advice. You don't need these videos really. I mean, they are great reminders, and you can actually learn some new things from them. But most of the time, you already know what you should do. And you already know that you should exercise. You already know just how good it would be for your mental health, your physical health. And the only thing that is stopping you from getting there is you. Is you getting too attached to your comfort zone. So you gotta get your shit together, pull yourself out of that. Go running, go do some exercise. Whatever it might be for you. You don't have to go to the gym. It can be whatever for you. Like, you don't have to go running, go to the gym. Like, you can play tennis. You can go climbing. You can go hiking, cycling. The point is that to go and do some exercise that you actually like, that is actually fun for you, that's actually good for you. You don't have to follow blindly whatever other people are telling you. Do the exercise that you want to do. And you can even do it with other people, that's even better. But the point is to get your ass off the couch. Click off of YouTube and go do some exercise. And if you would just imagine for a second, back in our tribal days, we had to move so much. We had to hunt, we had to build things, run away from tigers. Our bodies adapted to that circumstances. That we had to move a lot and we got used to that. And the thing is that our bodies are not that different from those times. It takes a lot of time for our bodies to change. And it hasn't really changed a lot ever since then. So our body still is used to us moving a lot, to getting some great exercise in. So no wonder that we feel like shit today. Because we barely move. Our bodies are not adapted to sitting in school all day long. In our cars all day long, in work all day long, just laying around in front of the computer or television. It's not used to that. It needs some movement. But if you don't get some movement into your body, don't wonder why you're feeling like shit. Why your health is going down. Our body needs it, it really needs it. So I really advise you to start exercising. Start getting some hard workout in. And as I said before, it doesn't have to be like the gym or running. If that's what you actually like, then 100% do that. But I think the best exercise is the one that you actually enjoy, the one that you actually like to go to. That it's not just some kind of grim duty that you have to do. The point is to get yourself sweaty and your heart pumping. That's it. Just get a good workout in. Get your body tired. And whatever does that, great, do that, whatever you like. You can do wrestling, jiu-jitsu, boxing, hiking, cycling, dancing, tennis, whatever works for you. The point is to get your body moving, heart pumping, sweating. That's it. Do some exercise today. After watching this video, within the next 24 hours, do some kind of hard exercise. Go running, do some push-ups, some simple exercises in your room. If you actually want this video to help you, then take action. Because if you won't do this, you will probably forget this video within the next 20-30 minutes. So I challenge you to do some kind of hard workout today, within the next 24 hours. And you can leave in the comments what kind of workout you did, if you actually followed through with this challenge. So I hope that you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for being here. If you're interested, I'm doing free one-on-one calls. You can send me an email and you can ask me anything, really, like any advice that you need. You can send me an email and we'll contact each other. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your presence. All love towards you. Have a great day. Goodbye.